Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you some exercises for finger picking. Okay, so I use to pick often, but I also like to use my fingers for playing too. Um, and there's different exercises you can do so you can be more comfortable with playing without a pick. So this is a good finger style lesson, just to get used to using those fingers. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to play a G chord here, a G bar chord, and I'm just going to place my index finger over the 3rd fret on all the notes, and then I'm going to take my ring finger on the 5th fret, 5th string, and then I'm going to take my pinky on the 5th fret, 4th string, and I'm going to take my middle finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string. Okay? And the index finger is going to be playing your 1st, 2nd, and 6th strings, okay, on the 3rd fret. So I got my G major bar chord here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work on my right hand here, because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, the opposite. But I'm going to work my right hand for my finger style strumming. So I'm going to do a little practice here that I think really helps the coordination of the finger style playing. And I'm going to hit with a thumb. I'll play that 6th string. Then I'll go up and I'll use my index finger, middle finger, and a ring finger on the bottom or on the top 3 strings, your 1st, 2nd, 3rd string, and I'll pull up with them. So kind of like this, down with the thumb, and your other 3 fingers there, your index, middle, and ring finger, you pull up with those strings 1 through 3. And then I'll alternate that thumb between the 6th and the 5th string. So check this out. Then I throw in that 4th string too. And that's just a simple exercise to kind of get used to using your hand for finger style picking instead of using a pick, okay? So hope you enjoy that. Hope it helps out a little. And don't forget to check out my other videos and like and subscribe. Keep on rocking.